you didn't know. Well, it's about damn time you know. This ain't your average shuffleboard crew. We still ride clean and we ride true. The Grandpa Gang, yeah, we roll deep. Real ones never fold, never sleep. This gang is legit, we'll never quit. Put that on a snapback, style it with any fit. I'm not just a member, I run the show. Mario, aka Flea, that's how we go. Flit a Z like my boy Eazy-E. If you really know me, then you know what I mean. We don't bust heads, we turn them. Turning frowns to grins, yeah, we earn them. We're the grandpas who ain't gone soft. We built the roads these young boys crossed. Ain't old and wrinkly, nah, we prime. Dripping finesse, still moving fine. We flex class, respect, and strength. And we don't quit, we go full length. Yeah, I said it, don't get mad. Truth is, my grandpa could beat up your dad. That's not disrespect, that's the truth. Sharper than rye, wise like Dr. Ruth. He's legendary, known far and wide. Built from storms he never tried to hide. Dropping gems like they're second nature. Soul stitched strong by every failure. Wisdom, knowledge, a voice so bold. Charisma with stories yet to be told. He walks the walk, talks the talk, leaves a trail of respect everywhere he walks. So why not celebrate this Father's Day with a GPG hat, the outlaw way? Buy one for your grandpa, show that pride, or wear it yourself and ride that stride. Let your OG know what he means to you. He paved the road, now walk it true. Click the link and don't you trip. You ain't just buying a hat, you're joining a ship. I got the plug, I got the source. Holler at Mario, I'll steer the course. Fourth wall's the spot, that's the track where the merch gets shipped and the legacy's back. Buy one, get the other at cost, because I'm the boss and I don't floss. This ain't no scam, this is a code, a bond we carry down the road. My grandpa raised me through the fire, so I built this line to lift him higher. Okay, Benji, let's roll that tape. We got the visuals, we got the shape. I just needed this ballad to roll. Something honest, something soul. Now we got it, it's live and raw. That backwoods magic with no flaw. GPG ain't just a vibe, it's truth. It's bourbon boots and old school proof. It's grandpas who still stand tall. Built the world, now they got it all. We ain't done, we just refined.
You didn't know? Well, it's about time you know. The Grandpa Gang, yeah, we roll deep, and this gang is legit. We'll never quit. You can wear the hat, style it fresh. It goes clean with any fit, no stress. I'm not just a member, nah, I'm the CEO, Mario, aka Flea Flanesty. Let's go, that's with a Z, like my boy Eazy-E. If you know me, then you know how it be. We ain't out busting heads, we out here turning them, turning frowns upside down with that Grandpa Gang sound. Grandpas today ain't old and wrinkly. They dress sharp, moving sleek, with class and finesse, flexing muscles that make dads look weak. Yeah, I said it, don't get mad. Truth is, my grandpa could beat up your dad. Ain't no cap, this is just the truth. Sharper than rye, wise like Dr. Ruth. Grandpa is legendary, full of might, dropping gems, spreading light. Wisdom, knowledge, and charisma on blast, with a bottomless swag that forever lasts. So why not celebrate this Father's Day with a GPG hat the stylish way? Cop one for yourself or gift your OG. Let your grandpa know what he means to your legacy. legacy. Buy one for your grandpa, don't even trip or rock it yourself. Join the leadership. Holla at me, Mario, over on 4th Wall. I got the plug, I got it all. Pick yours down in the link. Don't even blink, keep the vibe live. No gimmicks, no shrink. Buy one, get the other at cost. It's a family thing, I'm the boss. I gave my word and I stand tall. My grandpa raised me, I owe him it all. Okay, Benji, let's make it move. Put this blues in a groove. Video scenes are locked and tight. Now I just need this ballad to ignite. You know what I mean, keep it live and raw. The kind that hits deep, leaves them in awe. The Grandpa Gang ain't just a mood, it's a movement, a family, a whole damn truth. So click that link, show some love. We honor our grandpas, the real ones above. Legit, finesse, respected,